Eyes. Now let us learn about eyes in this module. The objects are classified into two types, namely illuminated objects and luminous objects. The objects which shine in the light of other objects are called illuminated objects. For example, moon, books, pen, chairs, etc. The objects which emit their own light are known as luminous objects. Their light falls on our eyes and makes them visible. Sun and stars are the examples of luminous objects. Eye is one of our most important sense organs, as we can see all the things in the world through eyes. Now let us understand the structure and working of eyes. The eye has a roughly spherical shape. Outer coat of the eye is tough and white in color, and it protects the interior of the eye. The transparent front part is called cornea. A dark, muscular structure called iris is present behind the cornea. A small opening called pupil is present in the iris. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris. The size of the pupil increases in dark. The iris is the part of the eye which gives it its distinctive color. Iris also controls the amount of light entering into the eye. The lens focuses light on the back of the eye on a layer called retina. Retina contains several nerve cells. Sensations felt by the nerve cells are then transmitted to the brain through the optic nerve. There are two kinds of cells, namely cones and rods. Cones are sensitive to bright light and sense color, and rods are sensitive to dim light. Blind spot is present at the junction of the optic nerve and the retina. Sensory cells are absent at blind spot, so vision is not possible at that spot. The impression of an image persists in the retina for about 1/16th of a second. So, if still images of a moving object are flashed on the eye at a rate faster than 16 per second, then the eye perceives this object as moving. For example, movies we watch are actually a number of separate pictures in proper sequence which move across at the rate of 24 pictures per second. So, we see a moving picture. Nature has provided eyes with eyelids to protect from any object entering the eye.